Hello, my lovely Totta kids. Hope you are enjoying and learning good. Today we will learn different vocabulary words that start with letter H. H. The sound of H is ha. Okay, let's start. H for helmet. H for hamburger. H for horn. H for history. H for Halloween. H for hairdresser. H for happy. H for hat. H for heart. H for hen. H for hiking. H for handbag. H for hammer. H for helicopter. H for hockey. H for hospital. H for hot. H for hungry. H for horse. H for house. H for hairs. H for honey. H for hero. H for hubby. H for hippopotamus. H for hanger. H for hummingbird. If you enjoy, please like and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.